Glizz out.
It's your boy Jack. Boy.
Southside.
That's the or.
Me the Don Rocco.
Shout out Kingjabster.
Log in to Kingjabster.
And subscribe to my boy YouTube channel, period.
Shout out Kingjabster, you dig?
Kingjabster.
My boy, man, Kingjabster.
Kingjabster. Kingjabster.
Kingjabster.
Kingjabster. Yeah, tune in, like, subscribe, all of that. You know what I mean? Salute.
My boy right there, he said he finna cook them.
Yo, it's a freestyle. Hey, yo, hey, yo. I've been away. I've been legit since a kid. I cannot stop. I promise God that I would never quit. They come from my top, they aim from my head. They shoot, but I bet they gon' miss. It's life in the trenches, life in the bridge. You know it's life in the six. I wake up every morning, kid. You know I gotta get them digits. They playing on my head, playing on my top, but you know I never fidget. Coming straight up out the field, and this right here for real. If you try to play me now, I swear to God, one of y'all might get. Coming straight up out the top, pull up straight up on your block. Everybody say they won't be, everybody really need to stop. Pressure coming, call the cops, talking about you really raw. All my niggas, yeah, nigga, we don't really like to talk. Okay.
Alright, we got one more round. Let's go. Hey man, y'all better come with it, man. We finna wake this motherfucker up. Real sounds.
Hey, I go by South, by the way, for sure. Hey, I don't like to play around. Everybody know when I stand up, they lay it down. I been from the A, but I'm really from the town. Hey, I'm from the South, I put it down. Hey, I get it up and then I move it around. Thought I was all beat, but I'm on the town. I'm trying to get it up, I put it down. I got my girl here, I bust it down. I told that girl to go and turn it around. Freestyle off the head, I do it now. I ain't got play no, but I get it now. Hold on, I got excited, then I fucked it up. I got a truck and then I backed it up. I put them pounds on, I wrapped it up. I told these niggas they can't fuck with us. Yeah, I got these things in my backpack. Yeah, I told these niggas just to back. Yeah, I told these niggas shout out Mozzie, dawg. Yeah, I see it, dawg, you my partner, dawg. Yeah, I'm trying to get it, I be hooping too. Yeah, I'm 6'6" and I'm a groovy dude. Yeah, I got my bag and I be doing it too. Yeah, and I'm a player, you was a player too. Yeah, I'm number one and I know what to do. Yeah, and I just get it, I ain't go to school. Yeah, I taught myself cause I just be the best. Yeah, forgot my DJ name, but you the best. For sure, I'm trying to get an interview for sure. You know, 2 hours studio, I'm trying to go. For sure, shout out to Tony, be my bro for sure. I've been fucking with it nigga for like 2 years. You know.
Oh, y'all motherfuckers want it now. Oh, shit. Oh, no, sound.
Hey, yo. Hey, okay, yo. Hey, I really represent. Hey, don't forget, I'ma pull up in the bins. Starting on the boats, yeah, I tell them what it is. Really represent, banging hard from the trenches. Yeah, bitch, really turn up. Really don't give a fuck, styrofoam cup. If you try to run up, what a mug, done up. Damn this damn man, damn this man red. Should've never said nothing, probably spared it. I'ma get the cash, it don't even mean nothing. Been I push a button, run up on me at a dime. I don't give a fuck, murder backwards, red wrong. Hey, this how I came, and it's really where I come from. Real as out the sun, they go hit him with a drum. Banana, you a plug. Nigga, yeah, what? I come from the cities, I come from the rings. Niggas talking shit, but nigga,
Y'all think he won? Everybody show him some love. All right, if y'all think he won, show him some love. Guess what, Trev? So I'm gonna teach y'all something. One thing I've learned and one thing I want to impression on y'all is, guess what? We're in the same industry. There is no competition. They both won. So guess what we're gonna do? Free studio time for him, free studio time for him, and we're gonna help do both their release parties. We just taught y'all something. It's always love. There ain't no competition. There's room for both of them. All right, who next up? Good job, good job, good job. Good job. Come get my information. Keep that same energy when you're out in the streets.